Want to optimize your partner payments with PartnerStack? Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your process, this quick guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure you're getting the most out of PartnerStack's payment features. First, let's talk about why PartnerStack is the go-to platform for managing partnerships. It's designed to streamline partner relationships, making it easier to handle payments, commissions, and performance tracking all in one place. But how exactly can you optimize your partner payments? That's what we're diving into today. When setting up PartnerStack, the key to optimization starts with defining your commission structures clearly. You can easily create customized commission models for each partner type, whether they're affiliates, resellers, or referral partners. PartnerStack lets you define commissions based on flat fees, percentage rates, or even performance tiers. This flexibility helps ensure that your partners are incentivized correctly while keeping your costs aligned with your goals. Next, consider automation. PartnerStack offers automated payment processing that helps you stay on top of payouts without manual intervention. This means fewer errors, fewer delays, and a better overall experience for your partners. You can set up automatic payouts, saving you time and ensuring your partners are paid promptly. Another critical element to optimize payments is tracking performance in real time. With PartnerStack, you have access to real-time analytics, so you can monitor partner performance closely. Whether it's tracking how much revenue your partners are generating or which campaigns are performing best, you'll have the insights needed to make informed decisions on payment adjustments and commission tweaks. To ensure payments are accurate, it's also essential to have transparent reporting. PartnerStack offers detailed reporting that shows you not just how much to pay, but also why. These reports break down sales, commission calculations, and any adjustments made, helping you keep everything transparent and in line with your financial goals. This transparency also builds trust with your partners, which is key for long-term relationships. Integration is another powerful tool in PartnerStack's suite. It integrates with popular tools like Stripe, PayPal, and even accounting software like QuickBooks, so you can seamlessly connect your payment systems. This helps you ensure that your payment processes are running smoothly and saves you time managing multiple platforms. One advanced feature you don't want to miss is the ability to create multi-tiered programs. For example, if you want to offer a higher commission for top-performing partners, you can set up a multi-tier structure to reward them accordingly. This incentivizes performance and helps you scale your partnership programs efficiently. Now, if you're a new user of PartnerStack, here's the best part. You can get started for Saint Pa completely free pass from the first link below, plus exclusive bonuses. This is the perfect opportunity to try out all the features without any commitment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to optimize partner payments with PartnerStack, from setting up commission models to automating payments and integrating your systems. As a bonus, we've got a Tetsi special extended free trial for you to use and test everything out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the first link below to grab your free trial and take your partnership program to the next level today.